We gather in Shanghai. Thank you to every friend who traveled far and wide to join us. We bring not only high-efficiency PV modules and smart energy storage products, but also an unwavering commitment to delivering energy solutions to regions with limited or no electricity. Illuminate the East, fulfill dreams. This embodies the mission and vision of OSDA's founder. Our team provides one-on-one tailored solutions. We don't just sell products. We deliver on-the-ground power solutions for communities in need. From villages in Africa to islands in Southeast Asia, our solar storage solutions have lit up the nights of countless families. We believe that wherever light is needed, OSDA will provide reliable green energy support. OSDA Solar, walking with light, empowering every ray to spark new brightness.